This is the HiGame Mini PC. Small, right? Well, never judge functions on appearances. It runs AAA games smoothly and quickly. Thanks to the new 8th Gen Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processor, the CPU clock speed reaches up to 4.1 GHz. The HiGame not only saves space, but also brings a stunning user experience for gamers and creators. We've all heard about the blockchain. It's becoming a huge deal, so why not share the joy? HiGame integrates the latest Radeon RX Vega M GPU, which can turn into a powerful cryptocurrency mining machine. Meanwhile, its super low power consumption keeps your electricity bills down. HiGame is also a graphical workstation with big performance. Designers can use it to do complex work in apps like Cinema 4D. Even modeling and rendering of complex projects can be done simply. A variety of interfaces allow you to connect multiple devices, supporting up to 5 displays at the same time. Meanwhile, the Thunderbolt 3 interface can extend another external GPU and loads of other devices. You want to have the big performance in a small case? Give HiGame a try. HiGame Mini PC will make your work and life easier.